Hello guys, today we're going to look at how the piping of a toilet and a bathroom. Like you can see, this is the inlet where you can up and on the flow of the water. This is the starting point where the water is coming from. Now when you come back to the other side, you can see the supply. This can take the supply to the water heater, and this one is for the hand press. Like you can see it's for the hand press, and this one is the supply for the tank to the blue sea. That's for the purpose of flushing. And like you can see, there is one copper pipe inside, also for the water heater. That will collect the water to the taps. That's from the water heater after it is hot. That's why you can see that's how the piping is looking like. Like you can see the pipes, both the cold and the hot water. You can see, and this another junction where you can see the wash hand bases waste, and this for the cold water to the wash hand, and this for the hot water to the wash hand. So you can see how it works. This is the copper pipe and its quality, and this is the kaka pipe. Like you can see the name here. It is a kaka pipe. It's an original pipe, so you can use it for your cool or hot water. It's okay for that. So you see how it works. Like you can see here, also this is the cool water that will supply to the jacuzzi or a bath, but this one is for jacuzzi, and also hot water that will supply to the jacuzzi, and this also the waste that will collect the water from the jacuzzi. So that's how we do the piping. Like you can see it. You can see how it looks like. And let me just show you the floor drain. The floor drain, that's any water that is flowing from the bath or toilet can follow to go out through this floor drain or floor waste, you can call it anyhow. And this is the WC waste, where the WC will be fixed, and this is waste. And like you can see here is the ventilation. So when you go out, you can see the vent where it can go out. So that's a simple piping and how it looks for other people to know how it works. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please, if you have time, subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.